Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna make a beautiful banana cake. So thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen, and please share and like the video with your friends and family. Please share it with your WhatsApp status, your YouTube, and I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I really thank you guys for support me and keep on support me, because Selvin Kitchen have a lot more recipe coming out. So today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna make a beautiful banana cake.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So guys, the first step we're gonna do, we're gonna put in some butter. So I'm gonna use around 3/4 of this butter. So let's get that stir up there. A little bit more butter. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well.
I'm just gonna whip up the brown sugar and the butter together. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, just gonna peel this ripe banana. So if you have banana like this, don't throw it away, because you can make banana fritters or you can make a banana cake. They're quite good. So 5 ripe banana. Just gonna peel off the skin off of them. And then I'm gonna use the fork and crush them. Just gonna peel all of them together. I think this one is overripe, so I ain't gonna use that one.
There's not much to do when all I can.
So this, all of them is quite good.
Not doing well.
So you want to take off this part at the bottom, and then I just get the fork and just crush it like that.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down
That's all done.
beside you, I would.
So guys, I just crush the banana with a fork. So now I'm just gonna scrape them out. I'm just gonna scrape out the banana, and then I'm gonna use the mixer and mix up all the banana together with the butter, with the sugar, and everything like that. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of milk in it, or half a cup of milk. So mix that around. Then I'm gonna add in my flour, salt, nutmeg, baking powder, cinnamon powder, and vanilla. So I'm gonna mix this around. So now I ain't gonna use a mixer, I'm just gonna use my spoon. So mix it up.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please take a time out and please subscribe and please share and like the video, and please check out the rest of the channel. I have a lot more recipe coming out. Yes, that's all finished. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna grease this baking tin. Just gonna put some butter in it. It's a non-stick baking tin, but I'm still gonna put some butter in it. You can use butter, if you can use oil if you want, but I'm using butter. It's up to you guys. So I'm gonna grease the bottom, but then I grease the side right around. So my baking tin have been greased. So I just get the butter out of the way. So now I just gonna scrape out all of it in there.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking
And have people
about you.
that smells so delicious already and they don't cook as yet.
Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
It smell like vanilla, that nutmeg, that cinnamon.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When I
Let's
really
scrape out every drop out of it.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So this is a nice, beautiful So guys, now I did scrape out everything in the baking tray. All I do is give it a shake around like that. So you want everything level. Give it a top. Guys, I'm just gonna put this in the oven and I'm gonna give it 45 minutes to an hour. So now I'm just gonna stick it in the oven. I'm gonna check it.
Fluffy.
Hi guys, I just take what the cake out the oven. I'm just gonna check it. Just gonna stick the knife in it.
Hello?
It. Marissa is here. So I just gonna put it back in the oven for the next 10 minutes.
It feels warm.
Hi guys, this take out the banana cake out of the oven, so it's hot now. So all I got to do is get a knife, stick in the middle, like that. Nothing don't come out of the knife, so the cake is cooked. So now I'm just gonna give it around 45 minutes to an hour, let it cool, then I cut it. So the banana cake is all finished. Hi guys, this is the finishing product. This is the banana cake. Been cool for the last 1 hour. So I'm just gonna put the knife in it and cut a slice. So the texture look like. Looking at people. Selvin Kitchen, banana cakes. If you're watching my video guys and they don't subscribe, please take a time out and hit that subscribe button. And please share and like the video. Selvin Kitchen. Guys, please take care till the next video. Beautiful banana cake.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish